John buys calculators for £5 and sells them with a markup of £1.20. We want to find the percentage profit. The markup of £1.20 means that he sells the calculators for £6.20, and this is how he makes his profit. He sells them for a higher price than he buys them for. The £5 that he buys them for is known as the buy-in price. To work out the percentage profit, we always do a similar calculation. We do the amount of the profit. We divide this by the buy-in price, and then we convert this fraction into a percentage. So in this example, we know that the amount of profit is £1.20. The buy-in price is £5. To convert into a percentage, we multiply by 100. Using a calculator, I've performed this calculation and found it to be 24%. Although I've used a calculator here, if the numbers are simpler, this could easily be on a non-calculator paper.